Let's move on to the other talking point. Of the 32 electronic manufacturers that have applied, 27 actually received approval. This is for the second leg of the production-linked incentive, or PLI, for IT hardware. The Electronics and IT Minister, Ashwini Vaishnaw, said that the move could inject 3,000 crores worth of investments into the sector. Let's listen.
A few months back, Honorable Prime Minister had approved the PLI scheme for IT hardware. And within the very short time frame, I am very happy to announce that 27 companies have been approved for the PLI IT hardware. The best part is almost 95% of these, which is I can give you the exact number actually, 23 out of these are ready to start their manufacturing on day 0. And about 4 companies will start their production within next 90 days. So it's a very good preparation. I am very happy that the industry is moving at the pace at which our Prime Minister Modi ji wants the country to move. These 27 applications will lead to about investment of 3,000 crore rupees, additional production of about 3,50,000 crore, and direct employment of about 50,000, indirect employment of about 1,50,000. So total employment about 2 lakh will be created using this scheme and the production.
All right, so that's the big announcement which came in over the weekend. And we have Sanjay Lodha, Chairman and Managing Director of NetWeb Technologies, to help us understand the impact on industry and what kind of numbers are we talking about here. Mr. Lodha, good morning. Thank you very much for your time. You heard the Minister, and we all know the overall intention of these kind of policy measures. But how soon can we actually start witnessing major capex happening on PLI front in the industry, and by when would it start reflecting in numbers in your view?
Yeah, so basically this is a great move actually, really speaking. This has been a great enabler. You remember basically few years back, even thinking about electronic manufacturing in India was really basically does not seem to be a possibility. But basically with PLI 1.0 and the kind of policies which government is currently is announcing actually, that is really enabled that. You're already fully aware that how mobile phone manufacturing has shifted into the country. Same situation for IT hardware as well. So PLI 1. We were part of PLI 1.0 also. So I'll just tell you, basically this is, one is the volume manufacturing, other is the basically the knowledge-based, the high-end manufacturing. So we are into the servers manufacturing actually, and manufacturing servers in India is not a easy thing actually. So basically the PLI 1.0 was really instrumental so as to basically help us to get into invest and to get into design and manufacture of servers into the country. The whole world basically always thought that this would not be possible in India, but it became possible. So PLI 2.0 is particularly a very good step in that direction after PLI 1.0, wherein the incentives are more. And you see the number of participants have increased and the number of companies who are trying to get into it is also quite high. So there is a good momentum around that. And with the currently the onslaught of the adoption of artificial intelligence, I think servers and basically high-end computing is very important. And with looking at the security threat and all, local manufacturing, electronic manufacturing of high-end servers, and basically the other electronic equipments is gaining a lot of momentum. And I think it's very important for the country. And this policy really puts a very good step in that direction. I think investments you're already seeing since this manufacturing will happen. So the investments has to happen into the country. And as Minister rightly said, basically there are many companies who are already invested and they are already ready to start the production. So I think this is a very good step.
PLI 2 different from PLI 1 apart from size?
PLI 2 basically is much more practical actually, because basically as you go along the road, you learn quite a lot. So PLI 2 will offer more incentives. So definitely as regards we were part of PLI 1, we successfully completed double the targets of what were given to us in PLI 1.0. So 2.0 definitely offers you more incentive. The duration is longer. The earlier PLI scheme was only 4 years. This is 7 years. Plus basically this has got a very good value. This rewards the local value creation. Like basically you add a component every year and your incentive goes on increasing. So this is very, very practical.
Sense then, now that you're saying it's practical, we've got PLI 2.0 that has been adopted. What about production for your company in particular? When exactly are things going to get up and running and begin?
Yeah, so basically, as you know, that we went through an IPO 4 months back, actually, wherein we had committed that we will set up our new. We were already into the manufacturing already. We are one of the companies who are manufacturing their designing and manufacturing our server motherboards in India. So basically, we had said that our new facility will come up in 25. But seeing the momentum of PLI 2.0 and the kind of things basically which are in front of us and the adoption of artificial intelligence, we have sped up our process of manufacturing, and basically our new line, I'm pleased to say that our new line will be basically in production 1 year in advance by the end of this current financial year.
Okay. Thank you very much, Mr. Lodha, joining us on the show.